Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to set the Google Chrome as your default web browser on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to set the Google Chrome as default web browser on your computer, first open it, and on the bottom left corner of your screen you can see the Windows icon over there. Click on Start, and after that you can see the gear icon or the settings icon up here. Click over there, and let's enlarge on the interface, and over here on this interface you can see the apps option available over here. Click on apps, and there is the default apps option available over here just below the apps and features on the left side of your screen. Click on default apps and scroll down. You can see the web browser option available over here, and currently Microsoft Edge is my default browser. To change it, click over there, and the Google Chrome will also be available to you on this list, and click on Google Chrome. If you have installed it, it will be available. And there is our default app for the web browser has been changed to Google Chrome. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.